guys, I'm back with another video and I'm super excited because there's two things. First thing is I'm ordering, well my mum ordered a bubblegum fluffy slime.
Oh my god.
Yeah, I'm so excited. I'm actually telling the truth, Olivia. If you're watching this, you'll probably shake your head no, but I am.
I need to buy 500
you need to trust me on this. I am actually. You can ask my mum if you're watching. Yeah. And mum, if you're watching this, So yeah, anyways, the second thing is I'm doing a slime collection today for you. I only have 3 slimes, but then I'm going to have 4 with my bubblegum slime. So the 3 slimes are all purple. So yeah, let's go. First one is this one. It's a purple fluffy slime. Pokes really well. That's my fluffy. So stretchy. Even when you do this, so stretchy. It's not that stretchy, but it is really stretchy. I don't think that makes sense, but yeah.
I've just seen your thing on Facebook.
So yeah.
I just liked it now.
And then this is my Play-Doh purple slime. And I used Play-Doh and this body lotion. So it was a Dove body lotion. So yeah, my last slime. Oh, my headphone came out. Sorry. So my last slime. I'm sitting on my knees. Okay. The last slime is this. I put in this stretchy goo container from Smiggle. And it's flown.
It was there's 2 gay women, fat, and then yeah, I watched that one, and then yeah, so I just watched that. But that's what I watch all the time. It's really good.
But yeah, so hopefully you enjoyed this video. Please subscribe, give it let me do it my way. Please give it a thumbs up / like, comment if you have a slime collection or slime, and subscribe. See you guys next week when I get my slime, and I'll do a video on that. Bye.